Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use revision history in WordPress, the easiest way. We'll start with a blog post. So from the WordPress dashboard, click Posts in the left-hand menu, then click All Posts. Find the post you want to check and click its title to open it in the WordPress editor. On the right side, make sure you're looking at the Post Settings panel. The Revisions link sits near the bottom of that panel. If it's not there, this post doesn't have any saved revisions yet, and there's nothing to restore. Click Revisions. WordPress opens the Revisions screen. At the top is a timeline with a point for each saved version. Drag the slider to the left and the selected point moves back through older versions. Move it to the right and you jump toward the newer saves. Below that timeline, the comparison area shows what changed between the selected revision and the current version. Additions are highlighted in green, removals are highlighted in red, and change lines appear in the same panel. Use the previous and next buttons to move one revision at a time. Take your time through these. You can inspect each version before you decide which one to restore, and that matters because the newest save is not always the one you want. To find the revision you want to recover, move the slider until that version appears in the comparison. Review the content carefully. When you're sure it's the right one, click Restore this revision at the top of the screen. WordPress puts that version back into the editor and returns you to the post. Before you click Update, check the title, images, links, and formatting. Restoring an old revision can bring back an old link or a missing image, and the editor shows every one of those problems right here. If everything looks correct, click Update in the top right, and WordPress saves the restored version as the current one. Pages work the same way. Go to Pages in the left-hand menu, then All Pages, and click the title of the page you want to restore. In the page settings on the right, click Revisions. WordPress opens the revision history for that page. Use the timeline to find an earlier version. Compare the highlighted changes. For example, if the current page says Welcome to our website and an earlier saved version says Welcome to our website, we provide WordPress tutorials. The comparison highlights that missing second sentence in green. Click Restore this revision and you land back in the editor. Review the page, then click Update when it looks right. I always open the page again after that because a restored version can still have a broken image link that only shows on the live page. Now, if you accidentally delete a paragraph or an image, don't jump straight to revision history. First, press Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on a Mac. That undoes the most recent change while you're still editing. Revision history is the one to use when that change was already saved and you need to go back to an earlier saved version. If the content was saved previously, open Revisions again. Find the version from before the delete, compare it with the current version, restore that revision, and the deleted content comes back. To compare two versions directly, open the Revisions screen and select an earlier revision. The screen shows the older content next to the newer content with the changes highlighted. Move the timeline carefully and watch the highlighted blocks. This is useful when you're not sure exactly what changed between two saves. Don't automatically restore the oldest revision. The version you actually need is usually one or two steps back. If multiple people edit the same page, hover over a point on the timeline and WordPress shows the author and time. Check that before you restore so you don't wipe out a teammate's newer update. If a post or page has no revisions link, it's because no saved revisions exist yet. Make a small change, click Save Draft or Update, then make another change and save it again. That gives WordPress something to record. Revisions are only created when WordPress saves different versions, so without multiple saved changes there is nothing to display. Don't confuse revisions with autosaves. While you edit, WordPress autosaves your work to protect your current editing session, and you'll see that autosave notice at the top of the editor. Revisions are the saved versions you can reopen later. If you've only lost a recent unsaved change, check the autosave notice or use Undo before you dig through the full revision history. Once the restored content is back, use the Preview button in the top right of the editor to open the live page. Test the images, buttons, and links. A restored button can look fine in the editor and still point at an old URL, and the live page will show that in a second. I also keep an eye on the revision timeline after a restore because WordPress adds a new revision for that restored state. That means you can still go back to the version you just replaced if you change your mind. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more WordPress fixes, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.